Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Learn English Fast podcast. I am Jessica.
And I am Mike. Hello to all our listeners.
Mike, today we have a very important mission.
A mission? Are we going to space?
No, not space. We are going to a place even more dangerous. The supermarket.
Aha! The supermarket. Yes, it can be dangerous if you are hungry. I always buy too many chips when I am hungry.
Exactly. Today's topic is survival English at the supermarket. We will walk through the store, aisle by aisle, and learn the most essential words.
This is great because everyone needs to eat, and buying food in a foreign country can be scary.
It can be. So let's imagine we are walking into the supermarket right now. Mike, what is the first thing you grab at the entrance?
I usually grab a basket if I only need a few things. But if I need a lot of food, I grab a shopping cart.
Good word. Let's pause here. Shopping cart. Can you describe it?
Sure. A shopping cart is the big metal wagon with 4 wheels. You push it around the store. In British English, they sometimes call it a trolley.
Correct. Cart, American, or trolley, British. And the smaller plastic thing you carry in your hand?
That is a basket. B-A-S-K-E-T.
Okay, so we have our cart. We are pushing it into the store. Usually the first section is the produce section.
The produce section? What does produce mean here?
Great question. In a supermarket, produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. It is the colorful part of the store.
Ah, I see. So, apples, bananas, carrots, lettuce, they are all produce.
Exactly. Mike, what is your favorite fruit to buy?
I love bananas. They are cheap and healthy. But I have a problem. Sometimes they are green and sometimes they are brown.
Yes, you need to check if they are ripe.
Ripe? R-I-P-E?
Yes, ripe means ready to eat. If a banana is green, it is unripe. If it is yellow, it is ripe. If it is brown, it is overripe.
That is very useful. Excuse me, are these avocados ripe?
Perfect sentence. Also, in the produce section, you need to weigh your food sometimes. You put your apples on a scale.
A scale. The machine that tells you how heavy something is.
Yes. And then you get a price sticker. Okay, let's leave the produce section. We are walking to the next aisle.
I smell something nice. Is it bread?
Yes. We are in the bakery section.
The bakery. This is where they sell fresh bread, bagels, muffins, and cakes.
It smells delicious. Mike, do you buy sliced bread or a whole loaf?
I prefer a loaf of bread, L-O-A-F. It means the whole piece of bread, not cut yet.
A loaf of bread. Very specific word. And if you want it cut?
Then I buy sliced bread. It is easier for making sandwiches.
Okay, no cakes for us today, Mike. We are on a diet.
Okay, let's keep moving. What is the next section?
Next is the dairy section.
Dairy. We talked about this before. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, everything from a cow.
Right. But here is a tricky question. Are eggs in the dairy section?
Usually, yes. They are in the fridge near the milk. But technically, eggs are not dairy. They are poultry. But in the supermarket, they are neighbors.
Good point. When you buy milk, you need to check the date. What is that date called?
It is called the expiration date, or best before date.
Expiration date. If the date is past, the milk is bad. Do not drink it.
I made that mistake once. It was awful. Always check the date.
Okay, moving on. We are walking down the aisles now. The middle of the store. This is where the dry food is.
Like pasta, rice, cereal, and canned food.
Yes. Let's talk about canned food.
A can is a metal container, like canned soup or canned tuna.
It is very convenient. It lasts for a long time. Mike, if you are looking for rice but you cannot find it, what do you ask the employee?
I would say, "Excuse me, which aisle is the rice in?"
Remember the pronunciation. Aisle sounds like I-L.
Which aisle is the rice in? And the employee says, "Aisle 5.
Simple. Now, let's go to the back of the store. The meat and seafood section.
This is where you buy chicken, beef, pork, and fish.
Mike, if you want to buy meat, do you count it? Like 1 meat, 2 meats?
No, meat is uncountable. You cannot say 2 meats. You say a piece of meat or a kilo of meat.
Or a pack of chicken. Be careful with that grammar.
Okay, our cart is full now. We have bananas, bread, milk, rice, and chicken. Are we ready to go?
Yes, let's go to the front. We need to pay. Where do we go?
We go to the checkout or the cashier.
The cashier is the person. The checkout is the place.
There is a long line today. I hate waiting in line.
We can call it a line or a queue in British English. While we wait, let's look at the signs. One sign says Express Lane. What does that mean?
Express lane. That is for people with only a few items, usually 10 items or less.
Our cart is full, so we cannot use the express lane. We have to wait.
Okay, it is our turn now. The cashier says, "Hello." What does she ask next?
She might ask, paper or plastic?
Ah, she is asking about the bags. Do you want a paper bag or a plastic bag?
I usually bring my own bag, a reusable bag. It is better for the environment.
That is smart. So you say, "I have my own bags, thank you."
Then the cashier scans the items. Beep, beep, and then she tells you the total. That will be $50.
And then she asks, "Cash or credit?"
Card, please. I tap my card. And then the most important paper.
The receipt. RECEIPT.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please. Always take the receipt, just in case you need to return something.
Exactly. If the milk is bad, you need the receipt to get your money back.
Okay, we survived. We bought our food and we practiced our English.
Let's review the top 10 words from our trip. Mike, can you list them?
Sure. Shopping cart, the big wagon. Basket, the small container. Produce, fruits and vegetables. Ripe, ready to eat. Bakery, bread and cakes. Dairy, milk and cheese. Expiration date, the bad date. Aisle, the walkway. Checkout, where you pay. Receipt, The paper record.
Perfect. Listeners, next time you go to the supermarket, try to name these things in English.
Look at the bananas and say, are they ripe? Look at the milk and find the expiration date.
It is a great way to practice. Thank you for shopping with us today.
See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone.